Watermelon sugar. Watermelon sugar.
Let's get right into the video. So as of right now, I am going to be retwisting my hair with genuine African super grow hair gel. You also have, you know, rubber bands. Expression twist up springy afro twist hair. I only have one pack because I feel like, I don't know if it may be enough, it may not be enough. I also have some extra random hair laying around somewhere, so if this isn't enough, that it you know, it should be enough. And I also have one pack of Bobbi Boss faux locks, and I only have one pack because this is literally just for the bang part, because my locks are shorter in the front than they are in the back, so they're just gonna go on there individually just to save time. And we're going to retwist our entire head. So if you need a little tutorial, I'll do that really quick, like, you know, little something. We're at the middle, or we're at the side part, and I'm gonna show y'all how to retwist your hair. I parted it. I don't usually care about parting anywhere else on my head other than the edges, but yeah, so I parted it right here. You're gonna take some of the gel, just a little amount, and obviously, as you can see, I just fixed my edges. Anyways, but yeah, you're gonna take some of it and put it on your hair, and then you're gonna take your hand, whichever way you're twisting it. So I would assume that if you would take your left hand, if you were twisting to the left, you would take your left hand, but since I'm twisting to the right, I'm taking my right hand. I'm gonna gather all the hair that belongs to that lock, and I'm gonna twist it inward, like so, like that. And then I'm gonna take my left hand and twist it some more, like so, like that. As you can see, there's hair, you know, that's still out. You're gonna take that hair and you're gonna twist it around the lock. And just kind of go down the shaft. Now, if your lock is fuzzy, as you can see, my lock is not fuzzy, but if your lock is fuzzy, you're gonna go all the way down the lock, just twisting the hair around. But since my lock isn't like that, you know, I don't need to. The way I twist my locks around my edges is different. So instead of just twisting your lock straight down, like so, like this, so it's straight down, I twist my lock to the side, or I just kind of lift up my hand so that way it's getting twisted to the side. And this also helps in the process of, you know, keeping your hair flat. So that way it'll be, you know, going flat to the back, like so, like that, period. So I'll come back when I have to section off my bang. Okay, so we are almost done, or I guess you could say almost like over halfway done. I already have well, I don't have the part sectioned off, but I have where I want the bang to start sectioned off. Like, it's stopping, so this is where this side ends, and the rest of the bang, or the rest of these locks, will be retwisted laying this way. What I'm going to do, like I said, is like from here, maybe from here on back, that's gonna be retwisted going towards the back, and then a couple of them up here are gonna be retwisted laying flat to my side, so that way we can, you know, get the whole little swooping maneuver. Then after that, I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes, just so that the retwist has some time to, you know, sit and dry and whatnot. And then I'll come back and we can continue on with the slip back knot pony. Yeah. Okay, so we are finished retwisting the hair, or I am finished with retwisting my hair. And she's all right. You know, I don't usually just retwist my hair, but so I don't really care. I don't know how it looks from the back, but I don't really care because it's all going into a como se dice, a bun or a pony. So anyways, now what I'm about to do is put my hair in a ponytail. And the way I'm gonna do this ponytail, since this is gonna be a slick back ponytail, is we want an extra slick. So I have 3 ponytail holders because it's gonna be like 3 parts of a ponytail. So what I'm gonna do is grab like the middle part of my hair. Like, just grab the middle and the back. And we're gonna put that in a ponytail first. There's the first ponytail. Oh, I left one. See, as you can see, I left one. Make sure you don't leave one. The next phase of the ponytail, you're literally just going to take what is left and make sure like it's spread out evenly against your head and pull it back. And you're just basically gonna make another ponytail. You're also going to kind of section off your bang. Your bang doesn't need to be too full, but it definitely needs to be, you know, a bang and whatnot. Y'all remember that you're gold. You want it to be flat, but also full. Place it how you want it, how you want the bang to go. Cause I want my bang to be in my, like, not over my brow, but somewhat over my brow, you know? Like that. That's exactly how I want this to look. All of this is what we're gonna use to get that swooping effect. And these are the ones that I'm gonna add the soft locks to. Gonna take a bobby pin and swoop it to the side, or set it off to the side. And then I'm going to take the rest of the hair that I have left and literally just put it as flat as possible against the rest of the ponytail and put another ponytail, another scrunchie or rubber band over what I already have. So I'm making another ponytail around that same ponytail, if that makes sense. You'll see. Okay, so we ran into a bit of a, you know, some technical difficulties because my camera died and I left the charger in the car. But we're on our phone, we're on the phone now, so it is what it is. But anyways, using this is no longer necessary. It's no longer necessary because look at the length. Look at her. Look, if I have peas in the back of my head, mind your business. Don't look at the peas. Focus on her. The hair's in a ponytail. So now we're gonna take our soft locks, take a brush and brush it out so that way we can get rid of some of the shine and make them look a little more like my hair. Like, they don't look too far off, but the shine, it's the shine that's getting, it's the shine. Okay, so I have my handy dandy brush and the soft locks, and like I said, all I'm gonna do is literally just brush them. Literally just going in and brushing it like so, like that. Here's what the original ones look like and compared to my head. As you can see, very, 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 very shiny. Whereas the ones that I, you know, combed out or brushed out, still shiny, but less shiny. Period. I can deal with that. And so now we're going to attach the soft locks to the ends of the bang, or the part that you sectioned off for your bang. What I want is for all of this to be swooped into the ponytail. So that's why we're extending them with soft locks. I'm putting, you know, the lock in there, and then I'm just gonna twist it and put it in there again, and twist it and put it in there again. And I'm just gonna keep doing that. So I'm twisting it and putting it through the loop. Twisting it and putting it through the loop. I'm just gonna keep doing that like this. Oh. Okay, period. So, and there you go. And you can, look at that. Yeah, again, you have the little loop. You put it through the loop, put the lock through the loop, and then you twist it. And then put it through the loop again, and then you twist it again, put it through the loop, and that's what you're gonna continue doing until you know, feel like you're okay, or you're like the lock is okay. These don't have to be like tight. They don't have to be like tight on there. Now, granted, they do need to be secure enough so it's like not just, you know, slipping off rip, but they don't need to be like tight on your head or like tight on the lock tight. If you do like this, it doesn't move. I'm gonna finish doing these and I'll come back when I come back. Okay, so we're finished with that part. As you can see, once again, it is still shiny and you can still see the difference, but it's not much of a difference. You know, it's not like if I'm back here, well, no, you can still see it's different. It doesn't matter. Anyways, it doesn't matter. It doesn't really make much of a difference if I'm being honest, because this is all going in the, gonna be part of the ponytail. So now what we're gonna do is just play with the bang and, you know, see how we want it to lay. And as you can see, I want it to look just like that. So now we're gonna take our third rubber band and wrap this up. And this is how she looks. Very cute, cutesy cutesy. Very cute, nice. So from here, I'm going to take some of the faux locks, or some of the locks that have, you know, the faux locks on it, and wrap it around the base of my ponytail just to hide the rubber bands. And this is what she looks like. I think she looks okay. I can't really see too much, but it should look fine. So from here, we are going to begin doing the actual, you know, 2-strand twist and lock knot portion of it. I already did 2. Here's what they look like, you know, cutesy, wootsy, and whatnot. So we're gonna do one together. All you're gonna do is do a 2-strand twist on down. If you don't know how to do a 2-strand twist, here's how to do a 2-strand twist. Your right hand is going this way, your left hand is gonna go outward. So it's like they're both going to the, whatever this way is. Left, yeah, they're going left. So, no, I don't know, freak. Whatever hand, your right hand is gonna go inward, your left hand is gonna go outward. So you're gonna twist like that, and then you're gonna put one over the other, and then twist again, put one over the other, twist again, put one over the other, twist again, put one over the other. And that's how you just do it. It's a bunch of twisting and putting one lock over the other. Or when you get like close to the end, you don't want to get too close to the edge, but when you get pretty close, you're gonna take some of the hair. What you're gonna do is spread it out onto both ends of the lock and just kind of sit it on both sides. And you're basically gonna feed it in like you would a braid. So, and you're gonna keep doing the same twisting motion. So, you know, like I said, put this part on the lock, and then you're gonna grab both locks with the hair and continue on with that twisting motion. And that's going to incorporate the hair with the lock. You're gonna have to add more hair 9 times out of 10 just to give it an even blend.
Huh?
A seamless blend or an even blend. But you know, you just do the exact same thing, because once this runs out, since it's gonna need some more hair, just grab some more, literally. And once you get to like that part where you know it's gonna need some more hair, like for instance right here, just add the hair in the exact same way that you did it the first time. You can continue adding more hair as much as you like. It doesn't really matter. I just do it until it kind of looks seamless. Because once it's all together, you're not gonna be able to tell whether or not you have a seamless blend, or what's a seamless blend and what's not. So I don't really pay too much attention to it. Like this, as you can see, that's not a seamless blend, but it's not bad. Once it's right here, can you tell the difference? No, you can't. And if you can, you looking too hard, period. You have the desired length of the 2-strand twist, so you're gonna twist it around the shaft of the lock. And once I'm done, or I have, you know, I feel secure or whatever, I literally just cut it. Some people super glue it. Again, it's all about preference. I just rubber band it, and I continue to rubber band it however much I want to. In this case, you can do that however much you want. You don't have to worry about how many times you're rubber banding it, because you know these aren't your real locks, so it doesn't matter if it thins or not. Like that. So that's 3. That's 3 right there. So I'll do some more. All I got to say is, get into the look. Are we feeling the look? Because I'm feeling the look. I mean, it's not perfect. I'm not saying it is perfect. It is not perfect, but it's so cute. It's so cute that I don't even care, honestly. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notification if you so that way you can be notified every time I post. Stay tuned for more lock videos and lock maintenance and care. See y'all.